Hey y'all, look at Macai. Say hi to the honey. Say hi. He got a nice haircut. Look at him. People don't mistake him for a girl anymore, because he was having all them ponytails and braids. Got his little tail in the back. Let me show y'all. Got a little tail. His mama left this little braid. Okay, you tired of the honeys? What? Don't bother my mirror, little boy. Yeah, it's a mirror. Okay, say bye. Say bye, honeys. Say bye. Okay. Go see Daddy. Bye. Move. I can't get rid of you. Okay, gonna see yourself. Who's that? Is that Macai? Is that Macai? Don't bother my camera, boy. Okay. Bye. I'm having technical difficulties, y'all. This child ain't cooperating. What? See, light. That's a light. That's a chandelier. Okay. What you blinking for? Okay, bye. It's a struggle. Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm feeling so much better. I had to stop taking that prednisone the doctor prescribed for me. I took it the first day. I was supposed to take 3 pills the first day, 3 pills the second day, and 3 pills the third day, and then window it down to 2 pills for a couple days, and then 1 pill. You're not supposed to suddenly stop taking prednisone. But anyway, after the second day I took them 3 pills, I had the worst headache I've ever had in my life. I actually had to take something for pain in my head. And I don't even like taking medicine. So I stopped taking the prednisone. And then yesterday, I forgot what I was talking about. But anyway, I actually started feeling worse after I stopped taking it. Because I was feeling pretty good. And then I couldn't hardly breathe yesterday. My breathing was getting bad again. So, prednisone actually works if you can tolerate it. But I ain't trying to have no stroke taking no medicine. Because I had the worst headache ever. So, but anyway, I feel good now. Thank the Lord. And I just want to show y'all some of the stuff that I've been buying. Some newfangled stuff. It's been around a while, I'm just now discovering it. This is one of them. I had to write soap on the box so nobody would think it's fabric softeners. And this is how they come. This is soap, y'all. Detergent. They come in sheets. Well, they come in a full sheet, and I'm tearing them up, taking them out the box. I always use a half a sheet. For small loads, if you got a big load, you use 2 sheets. What you do is put these in the washing machine, let the water run on it, and it will dissolve completely. And this makes soap. Nice, pleasant scent. And it's 160 in this box. So I'm thinking it's 80 in here, and then you split them in half, then it's 160. Yes, 80 sheets, 80 big sheets. And you cut them in half, or just tear it in half. This is CLEARALIF or CLEARALIF brand. You have other brands, and this is the only brand I've tried, but I like this. I've done about 4 or 5 loads, and I like it a lot. Laundry detergent sheets. It's good if you're traveling, good for kids in the dorm room. They ain't got to be lugging no big bottles of detergent. You just need a couple of these. And this is nice, very nice. And I don't know when this came out, but it's been out a while. And I highly recommend this. CLEARALIF, CLEARALIF laundry detergent sheets. Okay. Something else. I told you I was going to talk about, I think my last video, I was talking about the body oil that I bought. This here. It's from Olivia Care body oil, and I have it in the jasmine gardenia scent because I like all the white flowers. Gardenia is a white flower and I love the scent, so this got jasmine with it, and it got little flower buds or whatever in here. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. And after I take my shower, I just pat dry lightly and I rub this on. Just put this in my hands, rub my hands, and just rub it on. And I got these rubber bands on here because my hands, if they're wet, they're slippery. So these rubber bands help keep it from slipping. It's a glass bottle. You don't want to be breaking no glass, especially in the bathroom. So I love this product. I love it. It smells so good. And I like to put on some smell good after I get out the shower. Okay. What else? Something else I discovered. I didn't have to buy this, but I did. It's called Chew Brush Smile toothpaste tablets. These were around a long time ago. My granddaddy used to use something like this. They actually look like pills. Keep them away from the kids because they taste good. They got a watermelon flavor too. They look just like pills. Like that. What you do is, you can't have none. You chew one up. Chew one up. Don't swallow the stuff. Wet your toothbrush and brush your teeth. And this will foam up and it'll make a toothpaste. It's not as thick as a toothpaste foam, but it does the job. And it's a nice minty flavor, unless you choose the watermelon flavor. So, this is peppermint, and it's 120 tablets in here. Anti-plaque and whitening toothpaste tablets. And it's by the brand, I guess it's Chew Brush Smile. No, it ain't. It's by Well Dent. Okay, but this is what it looks like. I'll leave the link. It's good for traveling. You got to be taking no tubes of toothpaste. I got something else for anti-plaque and whitening. It's a turmeric and coconut oil toothpaste. Fluoride free. It don't have none of the bad stuff in it. And this toothpaste is actually yellow, but it makes your teeth white. Let me show you. Y'all see that? Because turmeric is yellow, but it seems like it would stain your teeth yellow, but it don't. It makes them white. And I got some Plex mouthwash. Okay. This can help me not have plaque. I don't have to go to the dentist for a cleaning so often. So, I'm supposed to rinse with this first and then brush your teeth. Okay? Plex. I get everything from Amazon. What else did I get? Oh, I'm getting ready for, next week is Thanksgiving. So I always buy these pants. I think last year's pants were a little bit larger than these. Macaroni and cheese pants. I have two of them, and dressing pan. I had 2 of them. And whatever else I want to put in these pans. And what I like about these are a little smaller than last year's, but they're more sturdy. What I like about them is when I put up leftovers, these are stackable. I just stack stuff right on top of one another in the refrigerator, and don't take up a lot of space. Okay, stack them with the food in it, and then when you get ready to eat the leftovers, take out the whole stack. You ain't gotta be taking out pot after pot after pot. No, it's all in one stack. So this is the stuff, some newfangled stuff and stuff I really like. And I always buy these pans. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I'm about to get in there and fix soup. I'll make some good soups, y'all. I really wanted some chili. I ain't had no red beans or kidney beans. So I got a lot of white beans and cannoli beans. And I had 1 little pack of chicken wings. I said I'll make me some chicken and white bean and potato soup. So I'm still waiting for the chicken to thaw out. A little bitty pack. So it ain't enough to air fry for everybody to get some, because I can eat that whole pack. Well, most of it. So that's what I'll be doing. So once again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. And y'all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, and I put a clip of yesterday's snowfall. First snowfall. So, bye y'all. This is the view from my front door. We got snow. It's a little bit of snow, but it's still snow. Let me go to the back door. Hit the back door. This one you got a shovel. The sidewalks are clear. I ain't ready for this. I ain't never ready for the snow.